Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Apple AirPods 4 and I'm going to show you where can you find your software version of your headphones and case. To start with, we have to scroll down to our control panel and hold our finger on Bluetooth twice. Now we have to click Bluetooth settings. Now as you can see, we are not connected with our headphones, but we can go into our device info. As you can see, our software version is over here, but if we click on it, we can see our case software version. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.